Hi guys, so it's a new year right now, and I am so excited about everything that's gonna happen this year. Guys, so literally I'm making this first video for this new year right now because I've actually tried putting some couple things in place just so my year actually goes really well. And starting off with this right now. So if you watched my previous video, which I did last year, literally my last video which I did, is I was literally trying to tell you guys that I want to actually spend more time trying to document my life, trying to yeah, do stuff more for myself. So here we go. This is literally one of it. So before I actually jump into actually trying to say or trying to do what I think I want to be doing for this year, it's actually dawned on me that I could actually have a personality of the person who is very much like jovial and outgoing and not shy and all of them things. But trust me, the inner team is a super shy person, like 100% shy. So this year we are on a journey to actually break the break the yoke or break the chain of being shy, and I am absolutely serious about that. I actually need to dump my shyness in the bin. Yeah. I have an habit of being a little bit of a perfectionist. So I tend to make sure everything looks perfect the way I want it before I decide to do what I want to do. But this year I am still gonna be a little bit of a perfectionist, but I am going to do what I want to do when I want to do it, no matter what the situation is, and just get it done really. So that is what I'm gonna be doing this year. So, aside being a very shy person, I also have a bad habit. The bad habit in this case is, oh shit, I think my titties are showing. So, okay, the bad habit in this case is I am more of a kind of person who feels like I need to have everything before I can actually create something, which is very, very bad. Like, I think I have more than I actually even need when it comes to equipment, but I still feel like I want more. I want this particular lens so I can be able to do stuff like this second person. Like, it's okay, because this person uses this particular lens to create their videos and all of them things, that I actually need to get a particular thing, which it's dawned on me, like, after having a long sit down and thinking to myself, well, to be honest with you guys, I'm still battling with the same thing. Yeah, I tend to have this habit of just trying to get this before I can do that, and eventually, even in the long run, when I even tend to buy this particular thing that I think I might need so I can actually do stuff better, I do not use it. I actually, it just still goes back to the beginning where it's still all the same. Yeah, that made me actually made a decision that in the year 2024 I am not buying a single equipment just because I think to myself that this equipment will make something better. I got everything I need, so I just got to make best use of what I got to get to where I want. So guys, yeah, I know my room could actually look like a mess right now, but I think it's allowed because if you're a creative or a photographer, you just gotta have like chargers and power banks. But I'll try to clean it up and make it look better next time. The other problem or the other issue I think I have for myself is, I wouldn't say I'm scared, but it still falls back to being shy and feeling way too comfortable. I feel like of late or of recent, I've started to feel way more comfortable that I do not, the cars again, guys. I think I've become way too comfortable that I feel like, I could just sit inside my house, get my work done, get my edits done, like what's really outside for me. And well, let's say the UK weather also could be an addition to this, because we all understand and we know how gloomy and rainy and dull the British weather could be. But yeah, that's just me trying to make an excuse again. 80% of the time I'm always indoor trying to like probably do some edits or like get some work done, but like yeah, always indoor. But this year I'm announcing it that you guys, I am going to be outside way more. Yeah, I know I should have actually done this video outside. Probably that's gonna make it make more sense. But I'm currently filming this video 2 a.m. in the midnight. So you guys will be seeing more of me outside, probably filming more videos outside. So I think me doing this filming outside and filming in different locations, even if they're people or not, this will make me overcome my first problem, which is me being shy, and this will also make me overcome me having to stay indoor all the time. Because literally, I feel like there's way more opportunities going outside. You tend to meet people, you tend to like, yeah, all of them things. Yeah, so well, like this is something I plan doing for 2024 too, and I hope you guys are actually gonna enjoy or come along with me on this journey, really, because I'm excited for it. And I hope I'll be able to help somebody else out there who thinks he might be battling with almost same situation as me. But yeah, let's actually see how it goes. And if you guys think you would want to like follow me on this journey, hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up if you think, yeah. But anyways, we just literally I was gonna cuss out these guys. But yeah, just yeah, I'll keep you guys posted as I post videos. I'm literally gonna be posting videos probably weekly or even more than once a week right now, because this is what I want to be doing more. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.